Hello everyone, welcome to Software Testing Expert Talk series. Today we have Ajay Lunia with us and he is going to demo us another codeless test automation tool known as ScriptWorks and which is said to be more powerful guys in terms of even automating the SAP and Salesforce kind of applications. Now let's call Ajay into this and then let's get started on this. So Ajay, you there?
Hey Arun,
Yeah, hi Ajay.
how are
So
you?
yeah, I'm good. How are you?
All good, all good.
Yeah, so let's get started with this session. You can start with your demo of ScriptWorks and what exactly it is and all.
Okay. Uh, so Arun, ScriptWorks is another tool, which is a codeless automation tool through which we can automate our web, mobile app, and API tests with ease,
Oh,
as
great.
per its description as well.
Okay.
So I'm just logging into this account.
Hmm.
So I'm just entering my credentials here,
Okay.
and then I will show you like how we can automate a web application like tutorialsninja.com.
Okay.
So
So Ajay, one thing here, like before we get started, so do we have to have any specific configuration? Like, do I have to have any Windows machine or Mac machine or Linux machine to use this ScriptWorks, or is there any different way we have to use?
Arun, you actually asked a very good question. ScriptWorks is a cloud-based tool. It's already on the cloud, and it's irrespective of any operating system. We can just go to any browser and just enter ScriptWorks .io and just click on login, and
Okay.
we are able to just logging into with our credentials, and that's it. So this is a super thing I have found in this tool.
So that means that we don't have to even download ScriptWorks in our machines, whatever we
Yeah,
have in
yeah.
our
So no,
laptops.
no download has been required.
Okay.
So which is a great thing about this tool. That's
Okay.
why I always say it's not. It's like it's independent of operating system.
Great. That's great.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So
yeah.
anyone can use. Like there is no particular person has to have that kind of machine where he need to download that particular installer. So it helps us, like to just directly go to just open the browser and just directly enter your credential, and then you are there. ScriptWorks is yours.
Superb. Superb. Yeah. Let's see that. Let's see.
Okay, so I've entered my credential. I'm logging into it.
Okay.
Okay, so here are a few examples. This ScriptWorks guys always gives you like to practice what you want to automate.
Hmm.
So we can explain, we can go through it later. But before that, let's start with our application, which we are going to automate. Okay,
Okay. Fine.
so we have tutorialsninja.com. Um,
.com/demo, I guess. Yeah. Fine. Okay.
So what we can what this is the web application, and what we will do today is we will automate few scenarios.
Hmm.
So particularly like login, logout, search, and show the product information page through the
Okay.
automation. Okay.
Let's see like to what extent we can take because based on our time we can decide. But you can get started with whatever you want.
Right, right, right. So first of all, here what we need to do is actually a client is required, which should be running on our system, which we need to download. So I will show you how we can do that. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just opening one more window. Just give me a minute. I'm just making it like this.
Cool.
Okay. So I we need to just install. I'm just opening npm
Hmm.
uh, js just this one, like we can just find it out here,
Okay.
and I'm looking for my scriptworks client.
Hmm.
So client should be running at your machine. That's the only thing you need to take care of.
Okay.
So you can see scriptworks client is there.
Cool.
I'm just clicking on it. Okay, so we got it. So now so before downloading this scriptworks client, there are some prerequisite nodes should be there in our machine. I will not show you how to install the node. Plus Java should be available on your machine. Okay.
So what we should have node.js.
Yeah, Node.js should be installed in your system.
Okay,
Plus
and
Java should be installed in your system. So these two are
okay,
prerequisite before starting working on this tool.
cool, fine. So we can easily find that information on the web, right? For someone who want to just download and install node, I mean install node.js and Java, they can
Right,
easily go to the web and then get that done, right?
right,
Fine.
right.
Yeah, after that, you need to come here and then search for ScriptWorks client and then
Yeah, then I need to install it. So I'm just showing
okay,
it to you.
fine.
So I'm just opening the Git CMD on my Windows system.
Okay, so even we
So
should have Git installed in our machine then.
yeah, so you can use your like command line as well, but I generally prefer Git. So
Okay, fine,
maybe
no
I'm
problem.
I'm used to it.
Great, that's great. That's good to know.
Okay, okay. So let me install this. So what I will do is I'll copy it.
Mm,
I'll copy it from here,
okay,
and I'm just trying to. Okay, I'm not able to paste it. Then I'm writing it here and installing it globally. So minus G stand for global.
cool.
So works client.
Does it take much time or?
Uh, it takes like few seconds, I would say. Like
Mm,
it can take maximum 30 seconds of yours.
great. Fine. So what else we have to do to see this tool? I mean, ScriptWorks getting started. Like
Let let's
apart from
let
this.
let 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 it install.
Mm,
Now after that we need to also run our Selenium server.
okay.
So that's what I'll show you how to install it and how to make it up and running.
So how this ScriptWorks is related to Selenium? Because on the web page, right, I was seeing Selenium simplified. So what exactly is
Yeah.
that? So that
Uh,
means it's running on the top
so
of
what
Selenium.
happened is
It's a wrapper kind of thing.
so actually what happens is
Yeah. Continue.
no, not actually. Actually, what we do is uh, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Just continue.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, it's not like that. Like in ScriptWorks, what we do, we write the our code uh, drag and drop kind of thing by dragging elements, blocks, functions, and then when we run the ScriptWorks, it will hit the ScriptWorks client, and ScriptWorks client will talk to Selenium server to open your browsers.
Okay, fine. Got it. Got it.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
is
so
that
that's
installation
how
done?
it works. Entire
Yeah.
this I'm looking at it. Just give a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, so ScriptWorks installation has been done. So you can see ScriptWorks client at that point 9 dot. So this is the version 0.9.12. Okay,
Okay.
if you can
Fine.
just see this, this has been done.
Cool.
So now I'm just clearing the screen and we'll run this client. Okay, wait a minute. ScriptWorks client. Okay, so you can see our ScriptWorks client is listening on port 8081.
Great.
So we can see our client ScriptWorks client is up and running on our Windows machine.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
So now next thing is we need to install and run Selenium server
Mm-hmm.
before doing anything, so that when we run our ScriptWorks, then it will automatically hit the ScriptWorks client, and then our Selenium standalone server will take care of automating the scripts.
So we just need to search for
So
Selenium
just give me,
standalone this thing and then come to this page
yeah, we
once.
need Selenium server, and we need to just click on here Selenium standalone,
Mm,
and I'm just looking which what are the right command which we need to use.
okay.
Yeah, so we got it. So this is the right package of Selenium standalone. So I'm following this
Okay.
thing. I'm
Okay.
again we need to use these commands. Okay,
Cool.
this will make our Selenium server to start. So I'm just opening another Git terminal.
Okay.
and so it should be running in background, this one. So I'm just
Yeah,
minimizing
you
it.
can minimize that. Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
correct.
So now what I'm doing is I'm just installing Selenium standalone.
Hmm.
So our Selenium standalone has been installed.
Okay.
So now we need to just run. Okay. So again, what we can do, we can just go back and see how we can just install and run the Selenium standalone.
Okay.
So okay, this has been installed. Now what we will be doing is we will be installing we will be running one more command, Selenium standalone install. It will install uh, whatever the Chrome driver, uh, Gecko driver, everything executable should be installed here. Okay, you can see the Selenium standalone installation has been finished. Okay,
Fine. Okay.
now what we will do is the last thing is just we need to start this Selenium standalone server. So for
Okay.
that we are writing one more command, Selenium stand alone start.
Cool.
Wow. So it's
Started.
so you can see Selenium server up and running on port 4444 and Selenium started.
Yes.
So I'm just keeping it here, like both of would be there only, and
Hmm.
it let it be running on the background. Now let's move to
Hmm.
our ScriptWorks. Uh, uh, yeah, let's move our ScriptWorks
Okay. Fine. Fine.
console.
Yeah. It works.
I need to log in again
Yeah.
because I closed it by mistake.
Okay.
So it hardly takes 5 seconds to log in because now we do not need to install it and do everything since they're in cloud and very helpful.
Okay.
So you can see this. So now what we will do, so our basic setup is done. ScriptWorks client is running plus our Selenium standalone service running. Now we will start with uh, and we know which application we need to automate, that is tutorialsninja.com. So we will start like finding out functions, like what function we used to create, like we are just giving the naming convention function, which
Okay.
function we want to create. Okay,
Okay.
so before that let's click on new project because this is a new project we are starting with.
Hmm.
I'm just giving this project name is tutorials
Ninja.
underscore ninja underscore demo.
Okay.
Okay, let it be automation demo.
Fine.
And this is the description. This project has been created to demonstrate ScriptWorks codeless automation tutorials ninja.com demo web application. I
Cool.
hope till now you are able to
Yeah.
correlate with me.
Yes. Yes. Everything is good so far. I understood everything so far.
Okay, okay. So here is a tag. If you want to give a tag, you can give it. I'll show you what is the use of these tags later on. So just I'm
Okay.
at the moment I'm just saving the project.
Okay.
So this project has been saved.
Hmm.
So now we will enter into this project.
Okay.
So this is the ScriptWorks dashboard, I would say, where we can see everything on the left panel, like where we want to go, and whatever you need to do, we need to create like function we need to create. We can create that here.
Okay.
So let me just create a new test actually. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just creating a new test. So this is a test list.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do, I'll do. Uh, I'm naming it as tutorials ninja underscore login.
Okay.
So what this test will do? This test login will perform login to tutorials ninja.
Okay.
So I'm saving it. I'm again likewise we can create another another test. Let's name it as
Okay.
tutorials ninja.
So we
So
can
it's
create
already
multiple tests here. Simple, right?
could you repeat?
So we are going to create multiple tests. You mean to say?
Right, we are creating multiple tests. So this is
Oh,
our test, like what operation you going to perform.
okay.
So I'm just completing it.
Yeah, please.
Logout operation on tutorials ninja.com. I'm saving it. So you can see the next test I have added can be seen here. Likewise, I'm adding just two in a minute in few seconds. Okay. So we can
Okay.
even leave this description as oh this is required. Sorry. So
Mandatory.
this
Mandatory. Mhm.
this uh, one more thing I will create that would be our last function which will show here to demonstrate. So that could be just product display page. This test is created to display the product information page. So okay, we are done with all our four test cases, like with the naming. So now we are just deep diving into it. So I'm just like opening the Tutorials Ninja login test. Okay.
Okay.
So here, Arun, how we can create our uh, test scripts for this test cases I would be just showing you this is the one of the block like function block. You can see that. So
Yes, I
it
can.
always display user defined functions. Okay.
Okay.
It's named at fx is a name,
Yes.
and here I'm just writing the name of the function only. So I have just only clicked on it,
Okay.
and now I'm just adding a new function by clicking here. You can
Okay.
see right hand side like panel has came, and where you
Yes.
can write like
Yes.
what function it is. So this is the login function. Okay.
Okay.
So this I'm just giving description of the function. This function will perform login operation. So actually we are not returning anything from the function. That's why we are not just checking it out. So when you're returning something from function, then you can click on this has output, and you can see a block has been added here on the canvas.
What does it mean actually? That checkbox? I
So
didn't get that. Has output.
it is this has output is here because uh, I'm just showing you like if I'm not returning any function, then it would be like this. Okay, this
Okay.
function will
Okay.
not returning anything.
Okay. Okay. Has output means
Okay,
this function will return
like
something.
we always keep a return statement.
Got it. Got
Could
it.
you
Got
repeat?
it. Got it. Got it.
Yeah. So again, I'm just explaining you like in whenever we code in Java,
Yes.
Python, there are function which returns a value, and we use return keyword there. Okay.
Yes.
So here we do not use return. It's like we have to just check this has output, and with the help of blocks, we can return value from a function.
Okay.
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 Now let's move forward. Um in So this will perform login operation, just saving it. Okay.
Okay.
Likewise, just I am adding which function I will be doing. Like I would be as I have written few set of test cases, then I'm writing few set of function which I will be performing. Okay.
Okay.
So now next function is logout. So I'm just giving the name of the description of the function as well. This function will perform logout operation. So again, it is not returning anything. So we are not checking this has output and just saving it. Creating one more function, search,
Okay. For each and
which will
every
perform
test case
search
that you have
operation.
written, you are creating the functions, right? Simple.
Right. I'm just making it more modular,
Yeah,
like
understood.
so that you can
Understood.
relate everything.
Yeah, understood it.
Yeah. Okay. We can cover each and every function in one function only. That can be done, but this is more modular part. Like you will be able to learn, like in modular terms.
Okay.
Last is product um, in display. This is a product display. So this function will perform product, or I would say will perform uh, display of product information related to searched product. Now I'm just saving it. Okay. So our function has been done. So again, so we know like what we are going to perform. But for performing anything, we need to have some set of element, like X paths of that elements. Then only we can automate anything.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So now we will be moving away from function block to elements block. Okay.
Okay.
So this is display available elements. So this is the element block,
Okay.
and we do not have any element at the moment. So
Mm-hmm.
we need to create that.
Okay.
And now let's start with finding out element. Okay.
Okay.
I'm clicking on elements. So here as I've told you in the beginning, I have started ScriptWorks client, okay, and Selenium server.
Yes.
So here comes one more thing, like so that it would be needed here to like in inspection of the element. So what is good about ScriptWorks is it gives us the uh, whole window where we can see the web application and
Mhm.
can inspect directly from here rather than opening another
Oh, okay. Okay.
new.
Got it. Got it. So
Yeah,
you're just going to enter the URL and the application will be displayed in the same page itself, and then okay, you can inspect that.
exactly.
Very clear.
So yeah, that's true. You got the crux of this window.
Yes. Yes. Understood it now.
Yeah. So what I will do is I'll write here tutorialsninja.com demo,
Mm-hmm.
and will so there are three options: Puppeteer, local session, and Puppeteer. So we will be selecting Puppeteer only at the moment,
Okay. Okay.
and we will be starting our clicking on start by so we can see the tutorialsninja.com should be available here.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see the
Yeah,
page.
this is our application.
Mm-hmm.
And just okay. So now what we will do is uh, right. So Arun, as we can see our window here, so this is our like target icon through which
Okay.
we will be targeting our web element. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm clicking on it. It is always it's giving in its tooltip the toggle inspect mode. So I'm
Okay.
clicking on it, and what it will do, it will start highlighting all the elements. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So for login, what we need to do, we need to just click here
Hmm.
like because we can only log in after clicking on this icon,
Yes.
and after that only we will get the login button. Okay,
Yes, correct.
so I will be creating first element would be this one. So I'm just again doing the same thing.
Hmm.
I'm just hovering over the caret,
Okay. Yeah, fine.
drop down link.
Okay.
Can you see the screenshot on the right hand side in the bottom?
Mm.
So the caret symbol has been captured here,
Yes.
and what we need to do, we need, if we want to do so we are getting what is the type of that caret, that's a span, and we are finding it by XPath, and there are
Yes.
multiple ways we can find, like class name, CSS ID, which it will give us. Okay,
Okay.
and it will also show what kind of so this is the actually absolute path of XPath. Okay, this is
Okay.
absolute path of that caret symbol.
Okay.
It will also give us attributes through which we can create our uh, XPath.
Fine.
So what I will do is I will be clicking on class, and I'll be clicking it to convert to selector. Can you see this?
Okay.
This
Yeah,
has
I can see that. Okay. Proper
you
selector is coming up.
right, right. And to verify this is the correct selector or not, what we can do. So ScriptWorks has provided very good icon, like you can see we can always toggle our element and can highlight where it is which element
It's getting
is there
selected.
in the page. Okay,
Okay.
I'm clicking on it. Can you see that red color is came on the screen?
Yes, I can see that.
So it's actually inspecting where our element is located on the
So
page.
simply ScriptWorks has its own inbuilt element inspection thing. Right?
Agreed, yeah, completely.
Done.
That's
Uh,
the superb thing of ScriptWorks,
okay.
and it's very easy to use as well at the same time.
Okay.
So we are confident that this caret will be our element.
Element
Yeah,
selected.
yeah.
Okay.
So I'm sure this is working fine. So I'm just clicking on and just naming this element, and then we'll save it. Okay. So I'm
Okay.
just naming it as my account drop down,
Drop. Okay.
because it will open. It will show our drop list. Okay.
Yes.
And just saving it by giving it this name. Oh. So next thing is I need to click on this login link.
Yes.
So now for this as well, I need to select. I need to use the inspector and use create an element. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just creating a new element.
Hmm.
I'm keeping it name of login. Like I'm keeping it login link. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm doing the same thing.
Cool.
Yeah. So now what I will do is, so so Arun, at the same time, like we have done the same thing for the login as well. So this is a login link. I've named it as login link, and
So one question, Ajay, here, as you can see, there is something like find by thing, right? So find by is now showing link text. Earlier, like when we are inspecting my account, right, it was showing XPath. So
yeah.
why it's different actually? Like
So this inspector, what it does is actually it looks at the what kind of element we are actually trying to find. So
okay,
earlier it was able to find it by XPath, and
okay,
now it is smart enough and able to identify this is a login link. That's why it is
okay,
giving us the type as link, and how it is finding the XPath of this element. It is finding by link text.
okay. So that means that it's automatically suggesting you what is the best for you in the.
Right. Besides that, it always gives you attributes as well. It's not restricting you to use the link test. It's always giving you attributes
Okay.
through which you can, convert your selector and use that as well.
Oh, great. That's very good actually.
Yeah. So I can show you, let me just show you this as well. Like I am selecting an attribute,
Hmm.
which is, let's say, go with the tag name. Okay. And
Okay.
I'm just converting it to selector. So you can see it automatically change the find by to XPath. And what would be the XPath? XPath is this, and selector is this one.
Yeah,
And if
understood
I
it.
need to like make sure if it is the right one, then what I will do, I will again use the highlighter.
Hmm.
I clicked on the highlighter, and you can see, yes, this is the right one.
Yeah, superb, superb. So now I'm able to get it and understand it properly. Fine, great.
Yeah. So I'll choose another one. I'll choose the href one. Okay.
Okay,
I'm clicking on convert selector. So this so we will also see like whether this is the right one or not. Oh, sorry.
okay,
Okay.
cool.
So you can see this is also working.
Yes,
I'm saving it. Okay.
cool.
So we have created two things, like two element login link and my account drop down. Now what we need to check, for login we
On the
need to
login,
enter.
you have to
Yeah.
see.
For login we need to enter email and password. We will create those element XPaths as well.
Okay,
Let me see what has happened. I'm just refreshing.
okay,
Okay,
yeah,
it appeared.
fine.
So now what we can do is, so you can see after clicking on login, we came to the email address and password and login button. Okay,
Hmm.
through which we can log in.
Yes,
Now we will select all these elements again using the
okay,
same technique by clicking on the inspector tool.
okay.
This
I think now you can take the control and then go it bit fast so that we already know like how to do.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. Let me just complete it then. I'm naming it as email, and this time I'm just selecting the attribute from ID. It has already given us that. So converting it to selector, then again checking it. Yes, this is the right one. Then I'm saving it.
Cool.
Same I will do for the password text box as well. Okay. So password, I'm naming it as like this. Then I will again do the same thing. Like I'm converting it to selector based on ID attribute, and just highlighting it. So we can see password is also working like the same, and we are sure that it will work. So saving it. Now comes to login button. So I will do same thing. Clicking on login. Will name is that login button, and you can see the screenshot has appeared. Like this is the very good thing, like what we have
Yes,
selected.
yes, yes, correct.
Okay. So now what I will do, I will select the type submit. It's a submit kind of button.
Hmm.
So I'm using this one, and
Okay.
again I will inspect using the highlighter. Yeah, this is working fine. I've saved it. See, so how fast this is. Like
Yes, yes, yes. While we are using it's becoming a bit fast, right? So
agree, agree.
at same time we can confirm whether the locators are able to selectors are able to locate the required elements or not at the same
That's
screen.
true. That's true. So now I'm just completing the locators exercise. Okay.
Yeah,
So
fine.
I'm just logging into the application with my credentials.
Okay. So we are focusing only on creating the elements for now, right?
Yeah, we are focused. So this is the element block. So
Element
here
block.
only we can create elements only.
Yeah, understood. Okay. Only elements we are focusing. Okay.
Right. So now I'm just creating an element for the logout, because what we need for logout, we need to click here and just we need to
Yes.
find out the logout link. Okay.
As part of one of the test case, we have the logout, so we have to even inspect the logout element as
Right. Right. So again, it will give us the link by
well. Okay.
default. I'm just converting it to href, which is more suitable, I felt.
Mhm.
So I'm
Okay.
using,
Great.
yeah, just confirming one more time, like I'm using the same right one or not.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm using right.
Okay.
So I'm pretty much sure if this is
So
correct.
even okay, the my account thing is also same, or do we have to confirm again in
No,
this?
no. So this is actually we can, like whenever we feel any confusion, like we have chosen the right XPath for that element, we can always use the highlighter.
Yes. Yeah, it's working still.
Yeah, it's
Fine.
working. Okay.
Cool.
So now I'm just logging out of the application,
Okay.
and now I'm just on this website I'm going to look for this
Search.
search. Like for search function, we need to have some element related to search.
Yes.
So I'm creating one more element like for search box. This is
Okay.
our search box. So I would be naming it as search box,
Hmm.
and inspecting is,
Okay.
and then again what I will do, I will use the name.
Mm-hmm.
and convert to selector, and again confirm it. Like, so see, it is also working fine. I'm saving it.
Yes.
Similarly, we need to like make it for search button as well. That was
Okay.
search box, and this
Okay.
is search button. So I will click add a new element again, and then we'll name it as search button. I'll click entire button only. So now what we will do, I'll click here and convert it to selector and see this is the right one. Oh, no, yeah, this is the right. So we are done with the search button as well.
Okay.
So what I'm going to search, I'm just showing you what I want to implement. So I will search iMac.
Okay.
So it will display us iMac, I believe.
Yes.
Oh wow, it is there.
Mm.
So what I will in the search, I will after searching the product, I will actually verify that product is available or not. Okay. So
Yes.
for that, I'm just creating one more element. I will write product. iMac product.
Okay. Mm. Maybe iMac product search results or something like that. You can say better because playing with
iMac
search
product
results,
search.
right? Yeah. iMac product search
This is fine.
is also fine.
Yeah. Let me just click on this link. So again, this is link test. See how smart this tool is.
Yes. Yes. See that.
Again, wherever a link comes, I usually choose href because
Okay.
links is generated from the href only.
Okay.
So okay, what we have chosen, it is giving us this one. Let me see.
Maybe there both the image and the
Yeah,
name
yeah,
both have the same
it's
link.
correlated. That's why
Yeah.
it's showing
That's
both. So,
fine. No problem.
yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah, you will be taken to the product display page.
right. Now I'm just going to product display information page.
Okay.
So there, what we will
So,
inspect it, we will
yeah. Scroll
inspect.
up.
Yeah, I'm just scrolling up.
Yeah. So this is the page. No, you went to something. You clicked it twice, I guess. Maybe.
Oh, I see.
Uh, Go
Let me
back.
search it again.
Go
Okay,
back.
no,
Or
we are
sir.
here. We are here. Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
This is the
This is
page you
the,
have. You'll be taken to.
yeah, yeah. So what we will do, we will just verify this heading of iMac, and we will be confirming on product display page. This is
Okay.
located here. That's it.
Great.
Just give me a minute. I need to click on add new element,
Yes.
and I will write it product information.
Okay. For iMac.
Yeah, for iMac. So I will be selecting this,
Mm-hmm.
and what I can do, I can use this one, convert to selector, and we'll see whether I'm getting it. Uh, okay, so what is happening, Arun? I just want to show you one thing here. So this page contains two iMac. See,
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
so that's why it is highlighting both. It is highlighting actually. You can see.
Okay.
I'm just showing you. You have seen that like for a
Yes.
glimpse. It's
Yes.
showing you.
Correct.
So what we can use here. So this is the like situation which this tool can't handle. So what
You
we
can go
can,
with some attribute and then filter it out.
I will suggest to go with the X path which it gives. The absolute X path.
Let's see.
Let's see.
No, or we can even go with the H1 heading because the top one will not have the H1. So
Let's see. Let's see. Let me see. No, I'm just going back again. Product information for iMac. Okay. So let me just check.
okay.
It's not
Mhm.
coming. Just let me inspect it one more time.
Yeah, inspect it one more time. Yeah, this is also fine.
So we are
Till
already getting this absolute X path. We know
yeah,
like
that's fine. That's
we
fine.
can use absolute X path when there are multiple things as well. So
Yeah,
I'm using it. Okay.
yeah.
So
Okay.
let's see like is this the right one or not? So yeah, this
Okay.
is the right one. Now see another iMac is not displaying. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
So we can use it as well.
Yes.
So I'm direct simply using it.
Cool.
Okay.
You're updating it, so it's
Yeah, I'm
asking for
just
the version.
saving a next because we have saved it. So next operation we are taking. So we are just giving what we have done.
Okay, so it's tracking the changes done to
Yeah,
each
it
and
is
every.
tracking the changes. All right, we are done with all our elements. Now we
Great.
will go and create our functions, okay?
Okay.
And fulfill those functions with these elements because we have
Okay.
all the element with us.
So again, we need to go back to the functions and then
Yeah. So
connect
we are
them.
going back to function block.
Okay.
So for function, it has opened in the left panel. For by clicking on edit function, we will be able to see that.
Okay.
So we can see login is there.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, one more thing I want to tell you, Arun. What we will do. So I'm just going. Let's just look. So this is our tutorials Ninja login. Okay. Test.
Yes.
So this is the first test in the test list.
Yes.
So for starting um, any function, like I'm just clicking over it over here. Okay, one time here. So it will
Okay.
showing me the top level. Like this is the we are in the this tutorial ninja
Login.
login test list at the moment. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
So what? So initially, for starting or running any function, we always need uh, like a wrapper, which here we will be using WebDriver JS wrapper. Okay, and
Okay.
how we can find it out? We will click here on the this icon which contains
Mm-hmm.
AI.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, wrong one.
Yeah.
Let me just sorry. So we need to go to test blocks and we can see the getting started.
Okay.
I'm clicking on it here.
Okay.
The main crux of this application is we get every function which we need to perform, or any operation we want to perform. We can just use the drag and drop functionality here. See,
Okay.
I'm just will be dropping dragging this JS here.
Okay. So,
Uh,
let me just check myself whatever I have understood. So
yeah,
first we'll go to the functions, and then from the functions we have to select the tutorials ninja login thing from the top,
yeah,
right? So
yeah.
after doing that, we'll come to these blocks.
It's not required that you will do the same thing. You can
Okay.
always you can write your functions first, and then you can go to tutorials ninja login. I'm
Okay.
just showing you where execution will take place. So this is the top thing, like after, let's say, I'm just showing you. I'm just saving this thing.
Mm-hmm.
um, uh, so I'm just taking you to the again on the projects. So I'm just
Okay.
clicking on this project, and we know there are four test cases listed here.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Now I'm going to tutorialsninja.login,
Login. Okay.
and
So it's
uh,
directly taking you to the blocks now, right?
yeah, it's no. So this is irrespective, like it's block, like it's just taking us to the last condition where we left it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
So we can click on function and find out our functions. It's
Okay.
all there in the function block, and all
Yes.
our element would be there in the element block.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Correct.
So now let's make it more simpler. So let's define our functions. Then I can show you like what is the use of that WebDriver JS wrapper. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. I hope you are like in sync with me till now.
Yeah. For now, I'm okay. So let
Okay.
me see like and ask you the proper questions if
No
it
worries, no
they
worries.
come.
Yeah, no worries. So I'm just clicking on login. So now what we'll do, what we need to perform in the login. Before that, I'm just writing one more function because we have to reuse it again and again. Okay, like to navigating to our tutorialsninja.com. Okay,
Okay.
and that is a reusable function for every operation we will carry out, like login, logout, product display, search.
Yes, correct.
So I'm just creating one more function. Let's name it navigation.
Hmm.
Navigate to tutorials ninja.
Okay.
This function will take us to tutorials ninja.com. I'm saving it. So now what we will do, so this is the function which has been created. Now what I will do is I will go to the blocks, test
Okay.
block. Okay.
Okay.
So now I will search what does this function mean? We need to navigate. So what I will do is I will search on the block,
Hmm.
like what block I need to drag and drop here. So I'm searching navigate. Can you see this? After navigate, it is showing me two things on web browser navigation: navigate to or navigate back.
Okay. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
will use navigate to.
Okay. Okay, you are
What
attaching this
what
to
what
the
did you
function.
understand with navigate to?
Understood, understood. For a particular function, you are adding the blocks,
Right,
required blocks.
right.
Now
Yeah,
it's clear.
yeah. So let me just write it. HTTP tutorials ninja.com demo.
Cool.
So we are done with this function at the moment. Okay, I'm just saving it.
Okay,
I'm just writing completed uh, tutorials ninja. Really needed. Really needed. So you can see like we are done with this function at the moment. So I'm
okay.
just saving it.
Hmm.
So this function, what we will do is we will navigate to tutorialsninja.com, which we need to reuse again and again.
Okay,
So let me just complete it. I'm just writing in short.
okay,
So let's move to login. Okay. So
okay.
what I will do, I'll click it on edit function, and on login, what I will do, I'll now write what I need to do in the login. Okay.
Yes,
So for login, as we know, like we need to click on the my account drop down. Okay. Then we need to click on login link. Then we need to enter the email, password, and then click on login button.
yes. All the steps.
All the
Right.
steps. So what
But
I will do, I will go to my elements. Okay.
okay,
From the function block only I can access the element, which element I want to use. Okay.
okay.
So so first step is clicking on my account drop down. So see, after clicking on my account drop down, we can see many options, whatever you can perform in real time
Uh,
as well.
okay, okay,
And everything is shown in your the drag and drop format.
okay. Fine.
So I need to click on my account drop down. So I'm using it. Okay. I'm
Yes.
just
Yeah. Automatically, it's showing you like which options you have to select and all.
right, right. Which option you need to perform.
Yeah, very simple.
Yeah,
So
very simple.
very
I've
simple.
click on my account drop down. Now I will
Next
be
one is
clicking on,
to,
yeah,
yeah, you have to click on the login link.
yeah, yeah,
You have to
yeah,
click on the login link and then select click on login link, the first
yeah.
one, and put it at the proper place.
Okay, okay.
After doing
That,
that, we'll be taken to the login page and we need to enter the email address into the email field. So
so
we need to
we
click
have
on the
already
email.
getting email and password, so we will use that.
We have to click the email and then say type email type. Okay.
First we will click on email,
Okay. First we'll click on the email. That is the best
and
practice.
then you can tell me what we need to do next.
So we need to type uh,
Yeah, this one.
email type. Yes, with some text.
Exactly.
Right. Then we have to enter the text.
Yeah. So I'm just writing my credentials here.
Oh, no problems. So fine.
Like same like this. We need to you can
Password.
guide me, Arun.
Yeah, password. We have
Awesome.
to click on the password. And then again click on the password and then this time we'll be typing the password type.
You got it, Arun.
It's very easy.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
Yes.
This was for my password at the moment.
Okay.
We'll remove it later on.
Okay, fine, cool.
Okay, so I'm just saving my login function.
No,
So
no, not yet done, right? We need to click on the login button, I guess. Login link, login
oh,
button.
that's true. That's true.
Yeah. One more thing.
Yeah,
Click
I
on the
missed
login
that.
button.
Thank you for
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, fine, cool. Now it's clear.
it's clear. So now I'm just saving this login function. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
we are done with our login function. So I'm just
Yeah.
writing completed
Mm.
login function.
Okay.
So now what we will do, our login has been done. So I'm just going to my function and we'll complete the logout one. Okay, because we are done with login.
Okay.
For logout, what I will do, I'll perform the same thing like of let me show you. So
For logout, for logout,
I'll show
first we
you.
have to call the login function. So that login
Yeah.
function
So
is there.
see,
Okay.
we need
Yeah.
to do the same thing. We need to log in first. So what I'm doing is I'm just reusing this function here.
Super. Yeah. So like you are reusing like anything, just dragging and dropping and reusing.
Yeah. So a
Very
whole
great.
function has been the login function is just uh, a click away, like a drag and drop away, I would say.
lot of ease actually, you can say. Okay, so you can visualize and then
And
simply
if,
drag
and
the
if you do not
blocks.
know what is there in the login function, you can hover over this eye, and you can
Uh-huh.
see, oh, what is there.
Yes, yes, that's great. That's very good actually. This thing I like a lot. Okay.
Right,
So
right, right,
for this one, apart from the element location part, right? This
right,
recalling the functions is something that I liked a lot.
right,
That's
right.
cool. Fine, great. That's good to hear. That's good to know.
So next what we will do,
Hmm.
so again, so our after login, what we need to do? So we will go to our elements,
Okay.
and only what we need to take care of, we need to click on my account drop down and then click on logout link.
Yes, correct.
So I will be clicking on my
Click
account
on my
drop down.
account.
I can paste it here,
Yes.
and then
Log
I'll
out.
be clicking on logout link. That's it. I'm logged out of the window.
Fine. Cool.
Isn't it very simple?
Very, very simple. Very easy and simple to follow now.
Yeah.
The
So
only thing
likewise,
is that we need to
I'm just
prepare
saying,
the items. The only thing is that we need to prepare the elements and all the stuff, and we have to create the high level functions, and then everything is in very easy and simple.
yeah, that's what the so ScriptWorks is giving us reusability function everywhere.
Yes, yes. It makes our job of reusability very easy.
Right. You actually you have
Without
saved a
even
lot of
writing the
time.
code, right? Without even writing the code, you're just reusing the functions.
Right, right, right. So let's go to now. What is the next function we need to perform? We need to perform search.
Yes.
For search, we do not require login, so we can just directly
Yeah, we
click
can do
on
that
it
directly.
here.
Correct.
And what we will do is we will
We need to first navigate to the application, right?
right, right. That's true.
Then after that, we need to enter the text into the search box field.
Right, right. So we what we will be doing is I make product search, and we would be
Yes.
clicking on it.
Not this one.
No, no,
We need to
not
first
this
search
one.
it, right? So we need to click on
Search box,
search
right?
box. First, we need to click on search box.
Yeah, I've done that.
Then we need to enter the text into the search box field. Again, click the same search box and then
Yeah, so we need to just
search box type. Yes. Here you need to type iMac.
right. Amazing, Arun, you got it.
Yeah,
Now
I got
you are
it.
instructing me what to do.
That's cool. So then we
That's what
need
I
to,
want. This is that this simple.
yes, as very, very, very simple. Search box. Click on the search box. But search button. Yes. Click on the search button.
Yeah. After
Uh,
search, we will just verifying just whether that
hmm,
product is present or not. So okay.
yes.
So what I will do is
iMac product search is coming or not.
I'm clicking on it here, and what I'm doing is I will wait until iMac product search is found. Like iMac
Okay.
product is present on the page or not. Okay.
Cool.
I will be using this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You got it. Now I'm just saving this search function.
Hmm,
Completed. Search function.
fine.
So now last one is left. Which one is that?
Product display.
Product display. So what we will do, we will use directly the search function here. Okay.
Hmm.
So see how much time we are saving this time.
Yes, yes.
So I
Simply
would be clicking on it.
reusability of the search will be there. Simple.
I would be searching it,
Hmm.
and then what I need to do, I just only need to click on it.
So
Okay,
the
which
one
I
thing
can
here
perform.
is like if you want to get that search function displayed on this for selection, do we have to do anything or like when you click on search, how you are
When
getting
you
the
click on
search
search, you
function?
will get this function displayed
Oh,
here.
okay, I got it, got it.
Then you can drag and drop. That's it.
Okay, when you click on that, that option to select that search function will be displayed, and then simply drag it. And
Right.
just to see what exactly is already written inside that search, I
So you
just
want to see what has been written search function. You mean to say that?
yes, yes. Then we
So
have to
I
click
will
on
hover over here, and you can see.
okay, got it, got it. Now it's clear. It's
Is
very
it
pretty
clear?
clear now. Yeah,
Okay,
understood,
great.
Ajay.
So now what we'll do, so we have already completed search function. Now we need to click on it, the product, and then just to verify that the product is there or not. Okay.
Yes, correct.
So what we will do is now we will again go to elements.
Elements and then
So this is our uh, I make product search.
yeah,
Okay.
yes, we
And we
have to
need to click now. We will be clicking it because
clicking on
in
it.
last function we have already found like is it
Yes.
present there or not.
Then next thing is that we need to wait for that heading to be displayed, I guess.
In there only like we have mentioned, isn't it?
Which
Like
one?
in the last one is wait until iMac product search link is present or not
No, no,
in
no.
the search.
This is for before clicking. That's fine. That's fine. After this, I am saying once you click on the iMac product search, right,
Yeah, so
you'll
now
be
we will
taken to the
actually,
product display page.
right, we will be reaching the product display page, and there we will search like whether that iMac is available or not.
Yes, that heading is available or not. So
So
I'm just saying that do we have to wait for that heading first?
you can wait if you want, like if you, yes, we can wait, no worries, wait until
Yeah.
in, so we can use wait until product information format is found or not. Okay,
Yes.
so we will be using that.
Yes. Correct. That's what I
And
was.
that's all I think.
Yeah. This is fine. This is done. This is done.
This is
Right.
done. Okay,
Yeah. That's what done.
I'm just completing the product information function is
Cool.
completed.
Okay.
The only hassles are just you need to search those elements, then that's it, nothing
Mm.
more than that.
Okay.
Okay, so, and that is also very easy because of this ScriptWorks inspection tool, like
So I think now are we done with the test case creation, or it's like we need to do something more about the test?
I'm missing two things because in login we have not used the navigate. Okay, so I'm just entering
Yes.
those
Yes.
things
Yes.
here.
Correct.
So I'm
We
just
need
using
we
the
need
navigate.
to write that for every function, I
Right.
guess.
Okay, so we have added it, and just I would be naming just added
Mm.
uh, navigate function to login.
Okay. Yeah. Then logout will be automatically done because it has
Exactly.
login reusability. And yeah, product display page we added it, so no issues. I think
Exactly.
it's covered
Exactly.
everywhere now.
So now we are done actually.
Yes.
Okay. So
Mm.
what I will do, Arun, I'm just going back to product project list. Okay.
Yes. Fine.
So I'm just so this was my first project. Okay. I'm just
Yes.
clicking
Correct.
on it, and we got our
Mm.
test list,
Yes.
and we are done with login, logout, product display search function
Yes.
inside that. Okay, in the canvas.
Mm.
So now I'm clicking on. So now my thing is I need when I will select this test case and want to run it, then only my login functionality should run. Okay.
Okay.
So what for that? What I need to do? I will be going there inside the test,
Next. And
and I will give how. So now we need to make ScriptBox understand from where we need to start this. Okay,
okay.
how is ScriptBox understand which function to run, because we have not mentioned anything here.
So we have to map the test cases with the function so that it will run, right?
Exactly. So I what I will do? I will go to test block groups. I'll see getting started. I'll open this
Okay.
WebDriver JS, and this
Okay.
is really required to
Okay.
start anything. Okay,
Fine.
and
Then
here what I need to
function.
do, I can pull this login function here.
Yes.
And again, if you are, you do not know what is there, you can observe like what is there.
Mm. Okay. Got it.
And this is done.
Mm. Saved.
The login functionality has been completed.
Okay.
I'm just saving it.
Cool.
Let's
Now
try
we'll
to run it and see whether we
whether
are
it's
doing
running
right
or
or
not.
not. Okay.
Yes. Let's see whether one test is running or not.
Okay, that's true. So let's just see what is there in our so our Selenium server is running. This is also running.
Okay.
This is our ScriptWorks client. Okay. So
Okay.
now I'm just running it from here,
Cool.
and let's see what is happening. Let's see the clients. This is hitting.
Running code.
Yeah. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see that now.
Login is done.
Yeah, fine. Good.
Now we will see. Oh, this is pass.
Passed also. Yeah.
So we are getting our status of what of the test case, like Tutorials Ninja login.
Mm.
This is our test case,
Mm.
and what it is doing. This test will perform login in Tutorials Ninja, and how
Mm.
much time it take? It take 2.616, and on which run setting it was running? Chrome.
From.
So all is there. If you want to, like look one by one what we have used. I've
Mm.
clicked on the link, and there
Yes.
we can see what it has performed.
So where exactly we mentioned that to run on Chrome? Like, can we change that to a
Definitely,
different browser?
definitely. What we can do, like so it runs on run settings. So there's one run setting block as well. This
Yes, great.
cog icon.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay,
If you will go into it,
okay,
you will see by default ScriptWorks gives us two like run settings: Chrome, Firefox,
okay,
and what it is. Let's see. Let's observe what it is.
okay.
So this is only the desired capabilities, like which we set in the Selenium.
Oh, fine.
So likewise, they have done it.
Okay.
Chrome run setting. They've
Suppose
given
if we
this.
have to add IE or something, then we need to.
Yeah, you need to just make it like this only. Like I can display you like if you want to do that. So if you want to create new run setting, then you can click new, and then you can name it. Then of course the same browser name would be your Internet Explorer,
Yes.
and that's the only thing you need to do. Like
Okay,
I'm
we
just
need to
showing you.
find out the that browser name, desired capability thing online, and then we can add it here, I guess. Yeah, I got
Exactly,
it. I got it
exactly.
now. I
It's
got it
it's
now.
ve- it's very easy. You can see
Yeah.
like I'm just opening it for Firefox. Let's say I need to make it for Internet Explorer. I will write it Internet Explorer.
Hmm.
I will give the description. This would remain the same, and
Yeah,
then
got it. Got it.
again browser name, type text value would be Internet Explorer, and this browser name should be Internet Explorer. That's it.
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So fine. While
Settings
running, we
they
need to.
give it by default, and these settings we can also as I've told you, like when we were here,
Hmm.
we can select those two here. Like, can you see
Oh,
this?
okay. Okay, got it. Got it now. So it's clear. No need to run. So it's
Okay.
clear now for me.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah.
from where I have to create
So
that
yeah. So
things.
whichever run setting you will create, it will display here on top.
The run settings are getting displayed here, and then based on our selection, our test will run in the selected browsers. Simple.
Exactly.
Okay.
So we are successful with Tutorials Ninja login. Okay.
Yes, correct.
So likewise, we will do for all the test case.
Okay.
I'm just doing it right away.
Hmm.
So again, I've reached
Okay.
to this Tutorial Ninja logout test case,
Yes.
and then I am clicking on this
Uh,
test block.
Test
Start
block,
get
get
for getting.
started, getting started, and
Yeah.
WebDriver JS you have to start, and then again go to the functions.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you
Functions.
need to guide me now.
Yeah, functions, and this is about logout.
Logout.
So you just need to drag that logout because logout already has the login thing. So
That's true. And if you are not sure of it, what we will do, we will
just
watch
over
this
and then
function.
select login and logout will happen. Good, very good, very super. Simple.
See how smart this tool is,
Yeah, very
and how
smart.
much time it has saved of
So
ours.
in the beginning, I was thinking it like a kind of light, but now I feel like the importance of this tool, like it's like it's giving a lot
Yeah,
of visuality of what you are doing. It feels like you are actually working. Okay, just you are not writing the code, but everything is happening. Whatever you do in automation,
yeah, yeah. Everything is there.
just you are that coding is missing, but everything is perfect. So that's why it's like
So
codeless
you have
automation
just
tool
talked
is
about coding is
almost.
missing. So
Yes,
you
yes.
have just about talked about coding. So we are not missing that, Arun. I can show you whatever we are writing. The main thing is like we are not moved away from the code.
Okay.
So I
So
can. So can you see the right below this? This can you see this
yeah,
icon?
okay. This is too crazy then. It's going behind
So
what
you
we
can
are
see the
expecting.
entire code here as well. Whatever has been
Wow,
written.
superb. Oh my God.
So we are not missing any code, and
Yes,
all
yes.
developers, all testers, everyone is here in the same page.
Wow, it's very, very superb actually. Behind
Yeah,
our thinking, actually, they thought of adding this kind of features into this kind of.
yeah. So this tool is giving us everything. If you want to
Yeah,
see the
yeah.
code, you are getting it,
Yes.
so that you won't feel you are
So,
doing a layman work.
so
It's not
suppose
like
I have to do any customization behind this tool also, I can do it now, right? So, is
right.
it
No, at
possible?
the moment you can't do.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to write a code, I can guide you. Like I'll show you like how you will. At the end, I will show you. At the moment, I'm just showing you
Mm.
how you can see your code,
Okay.
and you can download this code as well,
Okay.
and
Mm,
you can
right.
just push it to your Git repository or whatever repository you are using.
Oh, nice,
This
nice.
is all working.
Fine, fine. Got it. Got it. Cool.
That's why I call the ScriptWorks, it's fulfilling everyone needs. A
Yes,
needs of
yes,
tester, a needs of a developer, or any technical person, he wants to look into code, they can
yes.
do it. They just want to use drag and drop, they can do it. So
Mm.
very flexible and versatile tool, I would
Yes,
say,
very,
to
very one,
ScriptWorks.
very good one actually.
Yeah. So I am hiding the code again.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Now moving to again, so we have completed logout.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to run it, I'm just showing you one more time. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
So I'm running it from here,
Okay.
and we will see what's going on.
Yeah, this time we'll run it, and after this, we'll actually. Is there any way we can run it together, all the tests?
Yes, yes. I'll show you that as well. Okay,
Yeah,
I'll show you that
we'll
as well.
run all the things together afterwards.
Exactly, exactly. So now we have completed two functions. This is also pass,
Yes.
and you can see the reports like what it has run. Again, I'm showing you that thing.
Okay.
Everything is like noted down. Whatever you're doing, it's there. You're
Yes.
not missing any point.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah. Now
Very
moving
good.
back to again the
I think using this tool, we can actually automate very fast. Actually, if you have
yeah,
all your test cases in place, right, you can simply get that all test cases automated in very less time.
exactly, exactly. That's
And
why that's the crux of using this tool.
it will save a lot of time actually.
Yeah,
A lot of time actually. So
yeah.
very good one. Very good tool.
So again, we are left with third and fourth. Like so, next thing is tutorials ninja search. So let's complete this function as soon as
Okay.
possible. You can guide me, Arun. I know you understand it.
Yeah. You are which test case now?
Now we need to perform search function.
Search. So for the search, first thing is like
We
uh,
need to go to test block.
yeah, test block
Test
getting
block.
started, and then drag it, and then simply we'll drag the search function.
Right.
Search function, drag the
We
search
will look
function.
at okay. So
Yeah,
everything is there. So we
everything
will.
is there. Search function. Yes, correct.
That's it. You are
Yes,
done. Your test case is completed.
yes. Search is also done.
This is done. I'll show it. It will take hardly. It will take 5 seconds to run it. So I'm showing you like what it
Cool.
is doing.
Okay.
Is it working fine?
Yeah, fine.
Yes, this
Done.
is working fine. So you can
Yes,
see tutorials ninja search.
yes.
Likewise, we will just complete our last test case.
Last one.
Last but not the least,
Mm, that is product display.
product display. Right,
So for this, again, getting started, we have to go.
right,
So getting started, then drag this WebDriver JS. Now go to the functions and then product display, because product display already has a reusability function of search. So
right.
so
I'm
we
just
can,
confirming once again whether
yeah,
it
you
has or
can
not.
confirm.
Yes, it
Yes,
is
search
there.
is already part of the product display, so it will be done.
Right. I'm then again running it. Okay.
And navigation is part of search, so everything is covered there, right?
Yeah. So I'm just writing completed display function and running it again.
Cool.
Pass. See?
Great, great. So can you now show me like how to run all the test cases together? Like,
Definitely, Arun. Definitely, I can. I'm just about to show you that only.
okay,
So
fine.
we know like everything is running individually at the moment. So what we will do now, everyone is saying this. They want to run it again. Like they want to
Yes.
run everyone. Like your request is to run every test case in one go. So what
Yes.
I will do is
Hmm.
I'll select
Okay.
each and every one,
Okay.
each and every test. Or what you can do is you can just
Select
click.
all.
Yeah, select all
Okay.
and just run it from here only.
Yes.
So it will perform each and every functionality one by one. Let's
Okay.
wait for it.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Second test is running.
See notifications also coming. It is showing us that which test case it is
Yes.
running.
Yes.
Next
Okay.
is
Running test. Third test started. Fine. Done. Cool. Fourth test.
wow.
Yeah.
Can you see
Superb.
this? Can you see the
Yes.
power of this tool?
Yes. Yes. Superb. So all the things that got run and that results are displaying below, right?
Right, right.
So and one more thing, I'm just guessing like because I can see some functionality on the left side regarding some tags, but I'm going to correlate that because
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
yeah,
Before that, I just want to tell you. So, again, this is consuming a lot of time. Like we are not happy. I'm just telling you, I'm not happy with the tool because it
okay,
is running each and every test case
mhm.
individually, and it is consuming my time. Why don't we run it parallelly?
Oh, fine, that is also there.
Why don't we run parallelly? We
Okay,
can. We can. So
okay,
let's see how it can be done. So
so
I'm
that
enabling
mhm.
the So this is the parallel execution icon. Can you see this?
Yes, I can.
I
So
have
here,
enabled it. Okay.
one thing is like if we are able to run multiple test cases simultaneously, right? So
Mhm.
performance will degrade, right? Generally.
Yeah, it's based on the machine. So if your machine is good, then it can run up to 100 concurrent,
Okay.
parallel execution it can take.
Okay.
And that, I think that is too much,
Yes, yes, that is too much. So
Yeah.
if you select parallel, automatically the ScriptWorks will understand and then run them things like required them process.
Exactly. You do not need to, pass a parameter and create something or like
Okay.
that. You
Mhm.
just need to enable this tab.
Okay.
And
Rest of
I'm
the
just
things
running it.
ScriptWorks will take care of like the based on the timing and all, right?
Right. I'm clicking it here
Mm.
and just running it. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Can you see the number of
Yeah,
instances
yeah,
it has
yeah, yeah.
opened?
Yeah, for instances.
And it is running it for instantly, it is giving you results.
Yes, correct. Wow.
Likewise, you can open 100 instances.
Okay.
You are done. Your test case is
Done.
completed. No
Fine.
more, like waiting for each and every test case to execute and open a new instance.
Yes. Great.
Is it a boon to industry?
Yes, definitely, Ajay. Like, I feel like very easy and very useful actually. This will
Yeah,
save a lot of time and then see this is the purpose we have to solve, right? Automation purpose is to automate, just automate, and then we have to do that in less time. So
right.
even though some maintenance also, if some maintenance comes also, it's like very easy to update and all right now just by looking at the tests and then it will save a lot of
Exactly.
time. Definitely, it will save a
Exactly.
lot of time.
Exactly.
Lot of flexibility is there in at modular level so that you can directly go to that
And
function and
the
modify that
most
stuff.
important thing, you are working on only a single window and you're performing multiple operations.
Yes, correct. Multiple
No
operations.
need of opening another window.
Yes, correct. In a single window, you are doing everything.
Yeah. And if you want to just complete it, just log out from this and just shut down your laptop and just go for a walk.
Okay. Nice, nice.
Okay,
Okay.
let's move to the tag thing which you were asking, and now I think this is the right time to tell you the tag.
Okay.
So I'm just giving a brief description, overview
Mhm.
why this tag functionality is there.
Okay.
So let's see. You have created few test cases, and you want to make these test cases to run as a smoke under smoke tag. They want you want to run it. Okay,
Okay.
like let's say you have 1,000 test cases with you,
Yes.
and
Yes. I
you
got
will
that.
not run
Yes.
everyone. Like you need to check your application. Like is it ready for the performing regression? You will
Yes.
not run entire 1,000 test cases. You will run few
First smoke
basic test
test.
cases to do a smoke testing.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so what we can do? So
Or,
now
or or sometimes Ajay, we have to run only the test cases related to a particular functionality, only logic related.
exactly. Like you need to just particularly a module you want to test. Okay,
Yes, a category of tests.
right,
That's
a category of tests. So you can just so tags through tags you can categorize those test cases.
okay. Nice.
So
Okay.
let me show you how we can do it. Okay,
Okay.
I'm just going again and editing this test information, editing and just making it very simple.
Mhm.
I will make three smoke test case, or like let's make it two smoke test case. Okay,
Okay.
I'm adding tag smoke. Okay,
Okay.
simple. I'm adding this tag. Plus, after doing smoke, I want to include it in this regression as well. So
Okay.
I'm just giving it another regression as well. Okay,
Okay.
I'm adding this tag. I
Multiple
will do it.
tabs.
I'll do it for just writing added tags. Now let's move here.
Hmm.
Um, and I'm including this one in smoke. Okay,
Okay. Select the smoke and then yeah.
select the smoke and
So
just
that particular text case got added to the smoke category. Simple.
yeah, category is added. Smoke category is added. Now what I will do, I'll go back.
Yeah,
Uh,
they are displaying a particular column also so that you can right see exactly which test cases got added to which categories. Right.
right,
So very
right. I'm
good
making this
actually.
one as a regression.
Okay.
I want this test case to run in regression only.
Hmm.
Let me just rename it and make it the same one, like this one. I won't write anything.
Okay.
Adding another regression. Okay.
Okay.
There are two smoke tests here and three regressions.
Yes.
I'm just keeping. Uh, so now we need to filter it out. Okay. I want to run smoke test case. I got a new web application built. What I will do, I will run a smoke test case. So
Simple.
I will write here.
Mm.
Just give me a minute.
Yeah.
I'll use smoke. Can you see?
Yeah, you can filter it out.
I have filtered my smoke test cases for that application.
Okay. Select from here and then run it. Right.
Yeah. So let do it, and I'll do it this time parallelly.
Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Let's see the performance.
Oh, very good one, Ajay. This is so easy to use and so has a lot of flexibility and functionalities, like solving a lot of problems actually.
Yeah.
Same thing has to be done using by creating some frameworks and lot is need to be configured. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's actually saving a lot of time and
Yeah.
by giving the same flexibility, right? It's saving a lot of time. That's what I feel.
Exactly. Exactly. That's why I'm calling it. Look, ScriptWorks is, like it has blown my mind, I would say.
Yeah, it's even blowing my mind right now. So I have never seen come across such kind of tool so far. So which is giving so much of flexibility and it's giving me a feel of automation actually.
Yeah, that's
That
true.
flexibility and automation and all the things, whatever that is needed for an automation engineer, right?
Hmm.
Without missing that feel, right? Everything is there. I feel
Exactly. Exactly.
very good one.
Now we have done with the smoke, and we are
Mm.
like, yes, our application is running final smoke test. Then we can
Yes,
perform regression. So you can see regression is also there.
yes.
And if you want, I can run. If you want, I can skip. It's up to
No, you
you.
can skip it. I understood it, right? So no need. It's the same repetitive process. So we can skip it for now.
Yeah. So
So
this is the best functionality, like Arun, segregation of the test case, which every people want, like to save our time. It's
okay.
done based on the tags.
So I Ajay, one more thing I see on the left side, there is a kind of performance kind of thing, a kind of symbol is there.
Which
Can
one?
it you can see on the left side options, right? So the second icon.
So what? So actually, I'm just going through it. Like I'll let you know. So this
Okay.
is the dashboard. Okay. This
Hmm.
is our dashboard. It will open the screen. Like what
Okay.
many test cases you have. You can. I'm just showing. It will display the list of tests for the current project,
Okay.
and this is what results display results.
Okay. These are
It's
the
showing you
results.
results here as well. And then if you want the, like let's say you are working multiple projects and you're working multiple days,
Hmm.
so you can go to the run results history,
Okay.
and you can see everything whatever you have run so far. It will show you
Okay.
that.
Great.
Okay.
Great. Okay. Complete results are.
Exactly. It's complete result, I would say.
Mhm.
uh, I'm just scrolling, just give me a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, these are the complete results.
Okay. So.
So what? So there also we can see it in multiple, like it is showing our test case has not failed. That's why it's showing you
Hmm.
100%
Yeah.
pass.
Nothing got failed. So fine.
Yeah, it is showing our last run. Let's
Yes.
say you want to see. So this again, there are two types of things. So this
Hmm.
is showing all runs which we have done. We have
Yes.
done 7 times today.
Yes. 7 times. And what is the trend kind of thing they are showing?
They are showing you what is the trend, like what you can observe.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Correct.
Next, I'm showing you a timeline view. What is timeline? Like we know about like these kinds of I'll show you. So
Okay.
our
Fine.
what time we have run it, and
Okay. Based
what,
on the particular time on this particular day, also it's showing.
yeah, particular day, particular time. You can see what has been done.
Hmm.
Everything you will get it here. Like
So
it's
complete history of the reports is coming here.
exactly, and it's very easy, like to understand these kind of graphs.
Yes. Yes. Very easy. Very good. Actually.
Less plus, I'm showing you one more filter here,
Hmm. Yeah.
which again, like it is super, like I would say, like if you want to categorize like last how many test cases you have run in last 7 days, you can find
Yes.
it here.
Yes.
like
Yes.
like,
Correct.
like 30 days. So you can
Okay.
see multiple filters there. You can make it
Yes,
with
yes, yes. In the last 1 month, how the results are, I just want to see. So we can select the last 30 days. Or in the last 7 days, what are the results, test execution results. So I can simply select
exactly,
last 7 days and then see the results, right?
exactly.
Fine, great, superb. And Ajay, one more thing here is like, so for like whatever you explained is very clear, right? Right. So for
Mhm.
me, it's very clear, and I feel like I can get started with this using of the tool. But still, is there any documentation where I can refer if some cases where I have to go through and refer some documentation about this tool, right? Is there any particular place where I can go and get the documentation?
Definitely, definitely.
Okay.
I'll make you go through it.
Sure,
So
sure.
everything is there.
Mm.
My scriptworks .io.
Okay.
And there we can see everything is there. Like if you want to see uh, full product detail is there, everything is there.
Mm.
And if you want to see like what are the resources like where you can learn from, so you can see
Okay.
getting started, help
Started. Okay.
documentation, integration, videos they have also provided,
Wow.
articles they are writing on daily basis,
Super.
whatever new thing they are bringing in. Help documentation can make you understand entire product, like
Okay. Yeah, understood it. Yeah. Fine.
you
This is
want
a
to
place.
understand
Okay.
their the architecture, what they have done, everything is there. Just you need to be a person who likes to explore thing.
Yeah, you already had made us explore the application by this demo. So apart from that, whatever is required, right, we can definitely come here and then explore it to the next level if required.
Exactly,
But
exactly.
but
So they have very good
yeah,
and
yes, yes.
plus if you do not know like what you want to do, like you're stuck somewhere, you can just contact them.
Okay,
Like you can just send the email to them, they are very
okay,
promptly reply you,
okay. So
what you are facing issue, they will,
okay.
their support team is very good.
Mm-hmm.
So they will, as soon as they get your ticket, they will definitely
Yeah,
come back and reply you to resolve your issues.
yes, yes. One more thing I see is like this is not only a web automation tool, but also it automates the mobile, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Mm.
So today, due to crunch of little time, so we have covered web applications. Sooner we will be covering mobile app and
Yes,
API
yes,
tests as
definitely.
well.
We'll actually take a separate session and do that. Okay. So because
Definitely, definitely.
even automating
We
some
will do it.
mobile is also a good thing, right?
Exactly. We will do it. We will do it.
Okay. Even API testing also they can like they have the thing to automate and all, right? So apart from
Exactly.
web mobile, it's API automation is also there. So it's solving a lot of thing. And one more thing, like I was mentioning in the starting of the session, like I was saying, like ScriptWorks is a codeless automation tool, and it's a powerful thing that it can even automate SAP and Salesforce kind of applications. So
Right.
what's your take on
Right.
that? Like, what do you want to say about
So Arun, so there are a lot of features, like I have to try, and because of that, I was really impressed. So I will list them one by one. Okay.
that? Okay.
So first is you can see tool is entirely on cloud. That means we do not need to download it, and
Mm.
it's I would say operating system independent, which is a boon. Like I do
Yes.
not want to download a tool and run the installation because that will consume my time, and maybe I'm able to run it or not. So that is also one of the major concern with me. But while using this tool, you will not face it. Just only what you need to have your credentials. That's it.
Yes. Yes.
It's
Correct.
already on cloud. You need to just start working from the day one.
Mm. Okay.
So second,
Yes.
again, they have very great support and resource and knowledge base, which I have shown you in the resources
So
of ScriptWorks.
simple thing is like here we don't need any ID or something. Simple ScriptWorks is itself it's on the cloud and it's the ID itself. So all the options are available on the cloud and we have to simply run the options from the cloud and things will be done. Right? That's what you're saying.
Exactly, exactly.
Cool. Mm.
After this, one more thing I would like to tell you: multiple people can work on the same project
Mm-hmm.
because they have a version control system.
Okay.
So they have pricing of I could show you like those things
Mm.
at the moment. Like
Okay.
they have free version, then they have
So what exactly is that free version, Ajay? Like, can everyone use this tool right
so
away?
yeah, by using free version they can evaluate this tool for their needs, and then they can if they liked
So
it,
if
then they can
someone,
start.
some new person want to actually learn some automation with the help of this tool,
Mhm.
okay. So
Mhm.
I think they can easily use this, right, for automation learning and all those stuff.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay.
And I
So
have
but
shown
there
you
are
like
some
I have run.
limitations. Anyhow, there are some limitations like 20 tests, 20 functions, 10 run settings. But that's still good actually for some for a beginner who want to get started with automation, who is
Yeah.
having no knowledge of coding, right? He can
Mhm.
get started here. That's very good deal actually. Free thing.
Yeah. They actually, so again, Arun, like they have actually simplified lots of daily, troubles within this tool as well. Like they've
Okay.
solved many things. You can see that.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So again, so for them, like I would say, if I were in their shoes, I would have also charged. So they are charging correctly.
Mm,
So
okay.
because they have put a lot of efforts on it,
Yes.
I
Yes.
can see, and we
Lot
have
of
seen it together.
and I can see that. I can see that.
So there's nothing wrong. They're asking for money. Even I will be, looking forward. I will be using this tool for my automation purposes.
Yes, yes. Even I feel very good after going through this session. Like it's very
Right.
easy and very flexible and
Yeah. So
lot of
next
flexibility.
thing is, I was talking about multiple people can work on the same project based on the version control they provide in their, the subscription they give to you.
Mhm.
And at the moment, this is the only thing where you need to connect with their customer support and ask them to add your team member so that you can use the version control system together, so that you can see
Okay.
what changes has been done by other person.
Okay. So
Also
updates.
supported by this
So
tool.
simple thing is like if you want to know the updates, like what person is working on which feature and all those stuff and what they are automating, we can simply get that thing, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Okay, fine.
Next point, as you have already mentioned, this tool can automate SAP and sales for web-based application, which is
Hmm.
actually required at this moment of time.
Okay,
So, which is
fine.
a boon to this industry, I would say,
Yeah,
for
yeah, yeah.
ScriptWorks.
Yes, yes. It's not all the tools can automate the Salesforce applications. I know
Exactly,
from my knowledge.
exactly.
So this tool is able to do that also is something that is great, really.
Yeah, yeah. So, last but not, there's a lot of features inside it. As I've told you, I've just shown you one picture of this tool in terms of web application automation. There are a
Yes,
lot of things, mobile and hybrid apps. We will cover it sooner.
yes, yes. We can
So,
actually schedule few more sessions where we can use
definitely,
ScriptWorks with
definitely.
mobile, ScriptWorks with API testing, and ScriptWorks integration with some Jenkins kind of stuff and whatever it is possible. Okay, so like
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah,
so
it
fine.
supports every kind of integration. Like they have also shown you like what they support. So I'm
Okay.
just showing you a few of those as well.
Hmm.
Let's show you that. So, oh, that has come under integrations page. Let me just show you ScriptWorks only.
Okay.
So they are using, so feature integration they are with,
Oh,
YTAC.
okay.
As I've
Even
told you,
white.
YTAC AI test automation.
Great, great.
Then Jenkins, it is supporting APM, it is supporting Sauce Labs. Sauce Labs is used for,
Yeah, I know. Yeah, correct.
uh, the
Cloud.
multiple browser instances you need,
Yes.
different devices you can access to Sauce
Cloud.
Lab.
So cloud environments.
Exactly, exactly. They are supporting this.
I think definitely we can go have few more sessions on the ScriptWorks and then we can even like go in more detail like how to integrate the ScriptWorks with Sauce Labs, Jenkins and all those stuff, Appium and all those stuff like in the coming
Definitely,
days
definitely.
based on
See,
our time and
so there's lot much need to explore in this tool. So it's a lot of things are there's just you need to be curious to explore. That's
yeah,
it.
let's take some time. No hurries, Ajay. Like whatever that you have showed us today is already good, but still let's explore more about this application. Let's come up with few more sessions in the coming days based on our time and availability, and where we can actually take this sessions to the next level on ScriptWorks because this tool is very good and very flexible. So why can't we actually do that? That's the idea.
Definitely, definitely, Arun. It's pleasure. It would be my pleasure to work on this tool and
Yes, yes.
demonstrate it
Because
everywhere.
a lot of people can learn a lot, Ajay. Like not only the tool point of view, but learning point of view also. It's very good because right, for just automating API, we have to learn a lot, right? Rather, if you teach people how to use ScriptWorks for automating the API, that will be very great, right? When with
Exactly,
less time they can learn, less time they can know about the tool also at the same time. So how great
exactly,
is tool is,
exactly.
right? How the how this tool is grateful and kind of we can actually
Right, right.
after the sessions we can understand that.
So if I talk about out of 10, how much rating you want to give to this tool?
Yeah, I am actually like I don't want to even give ratings Ajay because it's like out of my reach now. Okay, so what I didn't see something like this so far. Like so we have seen some codeless automation tools earlier also, but ScriptWorks is something making a lot of difference now. I feel it's actually par something behind whatever I have seen so far. So I don't want to even give ratings and compare with any other tool.
But, like I can say few words like whatever I was imagining, it's all up there, in
Yes,
ScriptWorks.
yes, yes, whatever. Like this is very good one. So
Yeah,
no words, Ajay. Simple.
that's true.
Like
That's
no
true.
words.
Thanks, Arun. I think
Yeah,
I'm done
yeah,
with my demonstration part.
yeah, Ajay. Thank you for taking your time in giving this demo on such a great and powerful tool like ScriptWorks. So let's plan more sessions as discussed on ScriptWorks in the coming days also. That's it.
Definitely.
That's it, Ajay. Let's wind up this session for now, and then we'll plan the next things in the coming sessions.
All right, Arun.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ajay. See you then. Bye bye.
Bye bye.